Hello students, welcome to my channel Mathematician. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the equations of angle bisectors. Let us have two lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 such that they intersect at one point and then they will have some angle in between them. So the angle bisector is that line which divides this angle into two equal parts. And then the equation of angle bisectors is obtained as a1x plus b1y plus c1 divided by square root of a1 square plus b1 square is equal to plus minus a2x plus b2y plus c2 divided by square root of a2 square plus b2 square. These will give you two equations, one corresponding to this line and the other this, which one will be the acute angle and the other will be obtuse angle, and they both will be perpendicular to each other. This equation gives two bisectors, acute and obtuse, and we will find which one is acute and which one is obtuse using a simple method that if the magnitude of the slope is more than 1, then it is obtuse, and if it is less than 1, then it is acute angle. Let's see example. Now we have two straight lines 4x plus 3y minus 6 equal to 0 and 5x plus 12y plus 9 equal to 0. So as per the given rule, the equations of bisectors of these two lines is given by the line 4x plus 3y minus 6 divided by square root of 4 square plus 3 square is equal to plus minus 5x plus 12y plus 9 divided by square root of 5 square plus 12 square, that is 144, which is 4x plus 3y minus, this is 6, divided by square root of 16 plus 9, that comes out to be 5, is equal to plus minus 5x plus 12y plus 9 divided by square root of 169, that is 13. Cross multiplying, we get 13 times 4x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to plus minus 5 times 5x plus 12y plus 9. That is 52x plus 39y minus 78 is equal to plus minus 25x plus 60y plus 45. Using this plus sign, we get first equation, that is 52x plus 39y minus 78 is equal to 25x plus 60y plus 45. That is 52 minus 25x plus 39 minus 60y plus minus 78 minus 45 equal to 0. So we get 52 minus 25, that is 27x minus 39 minus 60, 21y minus 78 minus 45. So we get 123, that is equal to 0. So it can be divided by 3 all along. So we get 9x minus 7y minus 41 equal to 0. So this is the first equation of angle bisector. Let's see the second equation, which can be obtained by taking a negative sign here. So we get 52x plus 39y minus 78 is equal to minus of 25x plus 60y plus, here it is 45. That is 52 plus 25x plus 39 plus 60y plus minus 78 plus 45 equal to 0. So we get 77x plus 99y minus 33 equal to 0. Dividing all along by 11, we get 7x plus 9y minus 3 equal to 0. So this is the second equation of angle bisector. Slope of first equation is, it is minus coefficient of x, that is 9, by coefficient of y, that is minus 7. Its mod is 9 by 7, which is more than 1. Its magnitude is more than 1, so it corresponds to an obtuse angle. Now let's find by equation 2. Since equation 1 is obtuse, so we can say that it is acute. But if we want analytical proof, so slope of equation 2 is minus coefficient of x, that is 7, by coefficient of y, that is 9. Taking the absolute value, that is 7 by 9, which is less than 1. So it corresponds to an acute angle. Basically, acute angle means it is creating an angle which is less than 90 degree with the positive direction of x-axis. And obtuse angle means the line is creating an angle which is more than 90 degree with the positive direction of x-axis. So consider the 3 points P minus 1, 0, Q 0, 0 and R 3, 3 square root 3. Then the equations of bisector of the angle PQR is. Since Q is in the middle, so we will take Q and we will have equation of bisector from PQ and QR. So let's find equation of line PQ. For this we will use 2-point form of equation of line, that is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So we get y minus 0 is equal to 0, that is y is equal to 0. Otherwise also we can see it is x-axis, so its equation will be y equal to 0. Now we will find equation of line QR. So coordinates of Q are 0, 0 and R are 3, 3 square root 3. So equation of QR is given by, again, y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. That is y is equal to square root 3 into x. Details about these equations in 2-point form can be found in the video lecture of equations of straight lines 2-point form. So y is equal to square root 3x and the equation of other line was y equal to 0. So we have two lines, y equal to 0 and y is equal to square root 3x, or y is equal to 0 and square root 3x minus y equal to 0. So equations of bisectors are given by this y upon square root of 1 square is equal to plus minus square root 3x minus y upon square root 3 square, that is 3, plus minus 1 square, that is 1. So we get y upon 1 is equal to plus minus, this is square root 3x minus y upon, see, square root of 4, that is 2. Cross multiplying, we get 2y is equal to plus minus square root 3x minus y. So that is 2y is equal to square root 3x minus y and 2y is equal to minus of square root 3x minus y. That is square root 3x. This 2y comes here and becomes negative. So minus 3y is equal to 0, or x minus square root 3y equal to 0. And the other one is square root 3x. It comes to the left side. So 2y minus y is plus y equal to 0. So that's all for now. Thank you and have a nice day.